Um, these help with your nails, skin, and hair. This bottle here has 165 gummies inside of it. It helps with wound healing. Um, helps to maintain helps to maintain the health of your natural nails and skin, and more. So I'm going to start off by talking about this gummy right here, this bottle right here. I purchased this bottle first before I purchased this one. Um, I purchased this on January the 18th, before a day before my older sister's birthday. Um, um, I noticed when I started taking this bottle, my mom was like, "Oh, your skin is clearing up, and ting and ting." Like, "Oh, your skin clearing up," and she was giving me some good, healthy, feedback on my skin. So I'm like, "Oh, maybe it's the gummies," to my mom, and she's like, "Oh, it can't be the gummies. You just started taking those," and I'm like, "That's true." She had her facts. So, but it was. I feel like this bottle worked better with my skin than this one did, and I'll get into the details why. With this gummy, this one here has 80 gummies in there. I feel like this gummy has more sugar in it than this one does. And I feel like my skin is more reactive to the sugar in the gummies than it was to this one. Because it gives me like little breakouts. This one here gives me little like bumps on my face. So, an advice. This is advice. Sorry, advice for anybody who has sensitive skin, who doesn't even have sensitive skin and might even be taking these and getting breakouts. Drink a lot of water. Because I went on YouTube and I see and hear a lot of people saying that same thing, that it gives them breakouts sometimes. And drink a lot of water. That's what I be doing. I drink like 2 gallons of these um, every day when I'm taking these, because you're supposed to take two daily, and that's what I do. But if I'm taking two daily, I have to be drinking a lot of this while I'm taking these. So that was the pros is with this one, it was really helping my skin clear up. But the cons with this one, it was giving me breakouts because of the sugar, and it's really like I could taste more of the sugar in this one than I did in this one. That's just my advice. I know they're the same bottle, you know what I'm saying, but my skin was more reacting to the sugar in this one than it was to this one. So that's the pros with this one is that it was helping my skin. The cons, it was giving me breakouts. Um, so it was really that. So I put the skin. I will give out of a 10. I'll give that like an 8.5. Well, with this one, I'll give it like maybe like a 9. This one I'll probably give it less than a 9 because it was, yeah. I'll give it like a 5 or like a 4. Maybe I'll see when I'm done finishing this bottle, because this one's almost done. Like, if you could see, like I'm practically done this bottle, like done. This one has a lot more gummies in there, so I'll see how it is when I'm done taking these. So that's that. With my nails, I will upload a lot of pictures of my nails, how it helped my nails grow out. But I cut these down after because it was breaking. But it helped my nails grow out a lot. Sorry for the background noise in the background. It helped my nails grow out a lot. I'll upload pictures of how my nails grew.
Clueless blood made this beat.
With these, mostly this one as well. This one I will see because I'm not done this bottle yet, but this one tremendously helped my nails grow out a lot. So with this one bottle and my nails, I'll give it maybe a 10 because it made my nails really strong, um, more than weak. I don't know if it's because I drank a lot of water, why my nails started getting brutal, or I don't know why my nails started breaking and chipping. I don't know, but when I wasn't drinking the water, my nails are strong, healthy, firm, non-breakable. Not like, I don't know really everybody reacts different to these. I heard off YouTube everybody's different. Well, I don't even know everybody's different, but it reacts different to everybody's skin. So with my nails, it was strong, like really strong. And then out of nowhere, I don't know if it's because of the water or what, it just started becoming a little bit easier to break. But I would say it's still a good amount of nails on my finger. I don't know if you guys can see that or what, but my nails are still looking good. I'll upload pictures of how it looked before. So with the nails, I'll give it a 10. This bottle, both bottles, it doesn't really matter. But with the skin, different. Out of a 10 because I can't. Because this one has too much sugar for me. So that's that. Then with my hair, I would have to say with my hair, this is how my hair is like when it's grown, when it's straightened. I would have to say that I'll give it a out of a 10. I don't know. I feel like it made my hair more thick. More thick. The reason why my hair doesn't look as long is because I trimmed my hair because I just straightened it, so I trimmed it down. I had to cut off the ends of my hair because I had a lot of split ends. I'll give it like a 6.5 out of a 10 with my hair because I don't feel like too much of a difference with my hair. That's just my opinion. That's just my experience using these. So yeah, like I give it 6.5 or 7.5 using these with my hair. And I was also when I was taking if you look at my last videos that I have on my YouTube channel, I was taking these while I was taking the Mane Choice growth oil. So this also helps with hair. So with the growth that I was getting from taking both of these, I don't know where it was coming from. I don't know if it was coming from this bottle or if it was coming from the Mane Choice growth oil. So I would give it maybe like a 7.5 when it comes to my hair because I don't know exactly where my growth was coming from when it came to my hair. I don't know if it's coming from the oil or if it was coming from this. So I'll have to give it, instead of a 6.5, I'll give it a 7.5 when it comes to hair. And it made my hair kind of like strong and like it's not thin. I don't really like too much thin hair. And yeah, that's just an update, or not really an update, but well, it kind of is an update about me taking these little, I would give you guys more of an update when I maybe finish this bottle and maybe move on to like a next bottle because they have more flavors in these that I didn't try yet. But so far I've been using these, and that's just my update on using these. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another thing is that I want to give you guys, before I'm done this video, I want to give you guys a try on haul, but not right now. So it's for my birthday. My birthday is just around the corner, and I'm going to show you guys what I got from Shein and what I want to try on for my birthday. So hold on just one moment. So I have gotten this dress from Shein or whatever you call it. This is my birthday dress I'm going to wear for my birthday on, my birthday is actually April 20th, but I'm going to wear it on April 22nd. Yes. This is another Shein outfit that I got for my birthday. It's like a top, but you will see it in my next video, so I'll have to take it out the bag and show you guys how it looks. And then these are some pants that I got to wear with this top right here. So it's like a little matching outfit, top and bottom. This is off my birthday. I got it off of Shein once again, and I am going to do a try on haul once again for you guys. So I really hope you guys stay tuned for that next video. I don't know exactly when I'm gonna do it though, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, so let me also know what other videos you guys want me to do in my next video. But for right now, it's all coming along for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And stay tuned for it because it's gonna be fun. And if I get anything else off of Shein, I will let y'all know, and I will try it on for you guys too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this update video about these Nature's Bounty gummies, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.
Clueless blood made this beat.